Hello viewers, it's Ali with you from Tender Care MOTORSTOLIC International School. How are you doing? It's my hope you are doing great. We have class for grade 4 on the subject phonetics, and the topic is final double letters in L, S and F. I'm going to say the topic again. Final double letters L, L, S, S and F, F. If you remember in our class, I told you that when something is double, it means it is two of the same kind. It is two of the same. So if you say double A, it means A and A. Then if you say double B, it means B and B. But in this topic, in this lesson, we are looking at double letters LL, double letters SS, and double letter FF. So in words where you see this double letter, that is two letters of the same kind, how are you going to sound them? We have the first one, that is LL. If you have one L and you have another L in words, how do we sound it? If you are with me, I would like you to make the sound. If my guess is right, some of you are saying L, because the L letter sounds L. So when we have two, we are going to say L. It doesn't sound well. If we have one L and we have another L from this note, they are going to sound as if you are sounding just one of the two letters. So in this case, if we have LL, it will say sound L. It will give us a sound L, L, L. Okay, Mary, hello. Can you hear me? Mary, hello. Hello, Mary. Okay, I can see that Mary is with me. Okay, hello, how you doing? How is it stay at home? With our topics today and other previous lessons, I know you are not bored. You are getting it fantastically. Okay, now let's go back to the class. We have an L and another N. The two together, like I said before, will give us a sound just like one L. So it's going to give us a sound like one L, that is L, L. Now we want to look at words that end with double L, because the topic says final. The topic didn't say middle. The topic didn't say beginning. It says final. Final in the sense that it ends the word. So we want to look at words that end with L, L. Can you think of one? Let me make an example of one. I want to what? You hear something ringing, the phone ringing. So Miss Ali is putting a call to Mary. So our first word will be what? Call. So we have call. You see, we didn't say call. No. We said call. Call. Just like it is in one L. Okay, after putting a call to Mary, I want to tell Mary I bought a ball. I bought a ball for her as a gift. So the next word is what? Ball. ball. Yes, Mary will ask me, Miss Ali, where did you get the ball? I got the ball from the mall. I got the ball from the mall. So I'm going to write the next word, mall. Then, during the time I was in the mall, I had some experience which I want to tell Mary. So another viewer is on board now. Sadiq? Sandy. Oh, hello Sandy. How are you? Okay, you're welcome on board. So, Michael, welcome. So in the next one, I want to tell Sandy, I want to tell Mary about the ball, that when I bought the ball, as I was coming, there was a rain fall. So we have another word with double N, fall. Keep noticing that these letters are sounding just like one letter, although they are two when written on the board. Yes, because there was a heavy rainfall, the well became filled. There are two words now with double L, well and field. So we are going to write well. Then we have what? Field. We have field, we have word. Then, as the well got filled, the children began to yell. They started to make a lot of noise. They were what? Yelling. So, we have what? Yell. And the last one here, we have kneel. Okay, now let's quickly go to this one. This is double S. Double S. I told you before, when you say double, it means two. And in the topic, it is final. It is not 2S at the beginning, not 2S at the middle, but at the end. That is the meaning of what? Final. So we want to think of words with S and S at the end. For those viewing me, can you begin to think of words that end with SS? Okay, let's start with where we are now. If you were sitting in front of me, Miss Ali is teaching. It's going to likely be that Miss Ali is teaching in a what? In a what? Class. Good job. Class. So we have this. So the two we sound s, not s, or s, without an end. So now we have class. The next one, quickly, we have grass. We have glass. We have bless. There is gross. There is press. Peace. And we have the last one here, mass. So these are some words that end with SS. As in our pronunciation, we are not going to sound it as if it's two. We sound it just like one S. The next one is when you have two F in final double letters. That is two F at the end of the words. How are you going to sound it? Are you going to say, because F sounds, you're going to say No, you're going to sound it just like one. And if we're going to sound it like one, it's going to give us the same sound as. So now let's think of words with double F at the end. On your own, if you are with me, just write 2 before I write some on the board. Are you writing? Okay, let me give you some seconds to do that quickly. Okay, I want to believe you have written 2 words. Now, I'm going to give you my own. We have the first one here, cliff. So notice that it doesn't sound cliff. It's just cliff, just cliff. Then we have puff. Puff. Another one, bluff. We have the next one, sniff. We have snuff. We have off. And the last one here, we have whiff. Okay, now I want to go through the class again. I told you in this lesson we have as a topic double letters LL, which will give us a sound just like one. Even though there are 2, they give us the sound of 1 letter. So we have LL giving us L, SS giving us S, then FF giving us F, as in these words below. Like this one, we have call, ball, mall, fall, well, feel, yell, meal. Then we go to double S. Double S, I told you again, is going to give us the same sound as 1 letter, S. So if it's going to give us that 1 letter, now let's sound this. Class, grass, glass, bless, gross, press, peace, mass. Then the last one, which is the double F. The double F will give us that sound as if it's 1 F, like in these words: cliff, puff, bluff, sniff, snuff, off, and whiff. So if you still have where you are not clear, if you are with me now, you can raise your hands to signify that you want to ask question. Let's attend to it so that we can have some activity that you do on your own at home. Anybody? Is anybody there? Okay. In the absence of question, I'm going to write an activity on the board that you will practice so that you can have a better understanding of today's lessons. Class activity. Fill, okay, I have used one word here that we used. Fill the blanks with the correct blend from the box. So we have the box here. And I'm going to put the blends. So you're going to pick one from each that is suitable for the word and fill it. You have LL, SS, ISS, and the last one F. Number 1. We have B and dash. We have number 2, K, dash, 3, Gr, dash, 4, Gr, dash, 5. We have W, dash. We have 6, dash. We have 7, ma, dash. So you can see that these are some blends, but not complete until you pick one from this box and fill it. If you are not filling the right thing, it won't give you the right answer. So it's not a matter of just picking any one. You must look for the one that necessarily fits in, that is suitable to make it a word. So you fill it in on your own at home. With this, we have come to the end of this class. It's been nice having you. Till another time. Bye-bye. And remember that we love you.